What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2007 Yamaha V-Star 1100. Let's take a quick walk around this thing. This thing has quite a few miles on it. You're going to see that towards the end of the video, how many miles are on it. Cleaned up pretty nicely. It's a pretty nice bike, but it does have a little bit more miles than maybe you would expect. Got your rear tire there, plenty of tread. Definitely going to pass inspection. Plenty of miles left to ride on that bad boy. You got your tail light there on the rear fender. This one has the flames on it. It is like a factory flame paint, not like an aftermarket thing. This one has the sissy bar up here. Got a nice backrest for the passenger seat. As you can see, it has the spoked rear wheel. There's your rear brakes. This one came with has the Cobra pipes on it, like kind of like the long shots. That's a nice look. The chrome on them is really nice. All the chrome here on the motor is looking good. As you can see, has the passenger floorboard there. Again, I'm just gonna look up close at some of this chrome. As you can see, this screw is missing, so it's zip tied on there. That's how I got it. It's good to have the battery tender on it. That's always nice to have the tender to plug it in if you're not gonna run it for a while. Again, the motor is in nice shape. It runs really well. It's gonna fire right up. This one is carbureted. So know that. Got your rider peg, got your rear brake. It does have the highway pegs. Always a nice feature. I'm a big fan of the highway pegs. There again, there's some more of those flames like we saw on the rear fender. I want you to see this chip right here. Not sure what caused it, but it's definitely there. Spin around a little bit. See you got the throttle there. Front brake, mirror. Coming across these handlebars, come down to the headlight. There's the headlight. Get your turn signals here and here. On these fork tubes, the upper fork tubes are in really nice shape. Really nice shape. But there is some pitting down here on the lower fork tubes. I want you to see that. There's your front brakes. Got the dual rotors up front. That's how you know. The 1100s have those. There's the other side. Same thing on these fork tubes. The lower fork tubes have the pitting, and the upper fork tubes are in good shape. Here on your front fender, got a chip right there on my finger. Other than that though, this front fender is in really nice shape. Obviously the same color as the rest of the bike. Your front tire here is a little on the low side. I'm thinking that it would be good to ride on it. It would be okay to ride on it, but it's pretty low. I'm not positive that would have passed an inspection if your state requires that. There you can see the front wheel is the spoke wheel, just like the rear wheel. Down here you see rider peg, shifter, highway peg. Here on the side of the tank, there's some scratching in here, like right above the badge, right above the logo. You see that, and some light marks up in here. There's the motor though, all the chrome in there, looking good. There's your passenger floorboard that I'm not going to flip down because it's not flipping down for me right now. This is the license plate mount. Obviously it would get flipped over the other way, just the way it is since we took the guy's license plate off. It is shaft drive, you can see that there. Here is the sissy bar like we saw at the beginning. Passenger seat, which is nice and comfortable, looking to be in really nice shape. Same thing for the driver's seat. Don't know what that little mark is, but it is not a tear, which is nice. Coming up over the tank, you can see that. Come up here to the gauges. Turn this thing. Actually, we'll look at the bike here. So your handlebar, mirror, all your controls in here. Coming across, same thing over here with throttle and controls over there. You know, kill switch, start, or whatever. So this bike has 42,772 miles on it. That is quite a few. There will be a few more on there after the test drive is done. So if you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive. It should be up on YouTube. that. Let's make sure the turn signals work. Put your front signal there. Put your reverse signal there. Front signal on the other side there. Let's jump back to the back. There's your turn signal integrated into the taillight. And same thing with the other side. There's that. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2007 Yamaha V-Star 1100. This thing is going to be priced to move. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check it out. Check out the test drive on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching.